Yo, what's up, guys? Today we are back with another video, and it's an energy drink review for NOS or Nitro Sonic Sour High Performance Energy Drink. Enhanced Mental Focus, CMPLX6, High Performance Energy, and look around. 200 milligrams of caffeine, vitamins B3, B6, and B12, taurine, and inositol. And here's the ingredient. Here's the nutrition facts. DrinkNOS.com. Alright, see if it has any color. Alright. We're gonna put the camera down for a second so we can pour without spilling. Okay. Fortunately, it does have artificial color, but it is what it is. Smells kind of like a green apple, though, so let's taste it. Yeah, it smells like green apple. Tastes like a green apple Jolly Rancher. Even though I was excited for this one, I right away wanted to hate on it just because of the artificial color. Granted, it doesn't need to be there. The green color is nice. They don't need artificial colors, but it still is nice that they were able to replicate the green Jolly Rancher, just preferably without color next time. Anyways, doesn't affect my score whatsoever. It won't. Gotta say, I'm gonna give the NOS Sonic Sour a 9 out of 10, because it tastes like a green Jolly Rancher, and I know they said it wouldn't affect, but the reason why it's a 9 out of 10 and out of 10 is because it's a great flavor, but them artificial colors, they should just get rid of them. Some people still use them, but it's whatever. Anyways, 9 out of 10 for the NOS Sonic Sour. And if you guys are enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. Peace.